Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about CI/CD, one of the most important concepts in DevOps. We will understand what CI/CD is, why companies use it, and how it helps teams to build, test, and deploy applications faster. We will also look at a real-world example using GitHub Actions. So, if you are new to DevOps, don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple terms. Let's get started. What is CI/CD? CI stands for Continuous Integration. CD stands for Continuous Delivery or Continuous Deployment. In simple words, CI/CD is a process that helps teams build, test, and deploy software automatically. Instead of doing everything manually, many tasks are automated. This helps developers release software faster and with fewer mistakes. Today, most companies use CI/CD because it saves time, improves quality, and makes software delivery easier. Now, let's understand why CI/CD became so important. Before CI/CD, software development was mostly manual. A developer writes the code, then someone manually builds the application. After that, testers manually test the application. Finally, the operations team manually deploys it to the server. This process takes a lot of time. If there is a bug, it may be discovered very late. Manual work can also lead to mistakes. As applications become larger and teams become bigger, managing everything manually becomes difficult. Companies needed a faster and more reliable way to deliver software. This is one of the main reasons why CI/CD became popular. Now let's understand CI. CI stands for Continuous Integration. Continuous integration means developers regularly add their code changes to a shared repository, such as GitHub. Whenever code is pushed, an automated process starts. The application is built automatically. Tests are run automatically. If there are any issues, developers get immediate feedback. This helps teams find problems early instead of discovering them later. The main goal of CI is to make sure that new code changes do not break the application. CI helps improve code quality and makes development faster. Now let's understand CD. CD stands for Continuous Delivery or Continuous Deployment. After the application is successfully built and tested, the next step is deployment. CD automates this deployment process. Instead of manually releasing software, the application can be deployed automatically to different environments. This makes software releases faster, easier, and more reliable. Teams can deliver new features and bug fixes to users more quickly. The main goal of CD is to make sure the application is always ready to be released. Let's look at a real-world example of CI/CD. A developer writes code and pushes it to GitHub. As soon as the code is pushed, GitHub Actions automatically starts a workflow. The workflow first builds the application. Next, it runs the tests to make sure everything is working correctly. If the tests pass, a Docker image is created. The Docker image is then deployed to Cloud Run. Once the deployment is complete, users can access the latest version of the application. All of these steps happen automatically without manual intervention. This is how CI/CD helps teams deliver software quickly and reliably. So that's a quick introduction to CI/CD. We learned what CI means, what CD means, why CI/CD is important, and how a real-world CI/CD pipeline works. CI/CD helps teams automate software delivery, reduce manual work, and release applications faster and more reliably. In the next video, we will learn the differences between continuous integration and continuous delivery in more detail. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please note, captions are auto-generated, but they are mostly accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.